Hey.
Whatever.
Today we're doing Aero strawberry whip. I got this on J-List, and it finally came after a month.
What did you call it?
Aero strawberry whip.
I thought you said ale, like
Well,
that's what they do call it in Japan.
It is. For some reason, they don't put the rho in there. It's AO.
What's IPO mean?
It's not IPO. Those are katakana letters.
Oh,
That's
for what?
O. That's weird. It says Ea in Japanese and O in English.
Let's say it was strawberry.
Strawberry whip.
Don't you hate strawberry?
I do, that's why I'm not eating it.
I get the whole bag then.
To me it smells very artificial strawberry.
It's very strong strawberry. Feels like it's whipped.
Why, because of the bubbles? Can you feel the bubbles melt?
That and plus it's fluffy. Feels fluffy in the mouth. I don't love strawberry chocolate stuff, but it's something different. I like it.
You like it? What's your rating? You're obscure.
8.2. Should I eat these?
Hey, you like it that much? You want a second? Here's a third. You want a third?
No. You open it already? No, I'm gonna have to eat it later. I mean, you didn't use the zip line.
The zip line? That's what you call? That's what do you, wait, what's happening? That's what you call the little perforation?
Do they have in all their stuff because they're obsessed with it?
So for Americans, I guess they don't know what Aero is because they don't have Aero in the States.
Really?
Yeah, it's Canadian. But we get Aero all the time, so, but what do we have? We have milk chocolate and we have mint, for sure, which have been around for, like, forever.
And dark chocolate, maybe something.
And there's dark chocolate. Wasn't there? No, there's a caramel one, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but we've never had strawberry. So I thought I would buy it just for the fun of having a Japanese Aero. In Canada, this is the type of Aero that we have. You can get regular milk chocolate Aero, or there's also a mint Aero, which is my favorite. And last year they launched these Aero bubbles, which, as you can see on the package, it's just a little chocolate ball with the Aero bubbles inside. And those come in milk chocolate and mint as well. Although the mint bar, when you crack it open, it's green on the inside, but the mint bubbles just look like that as well, but they have the mint flavor. There's also 2 more bars that you can get. There's dark chocolate, which I believe still has the milk chocolate outside and is dark chocolate on the middle. And there's also Aero caramel, which the store was sold out of, so I could only show you these 2, which I believe is the same shape as this, but there's liquid caramel in the middle. I could be wrong, it could just be caramel flavored. I don't eat caramel at all, I hate it, so that's why I don't know. And I believe one time, like a special edition, I saw an orange Aero, which was like the mint. So it was the chocolate outside, and then it had orange on the inside. And I love orange chocolate, but I never got to taste that. So that's what we have available in Canada. Here's the inside of the milk chocolate Aero.